everyone, welcome to Nation Innovation. This is the tutorial 6 and here we'll learn how to get started with the Azure IoT platform. The Azure Internet of Things is a collection of Microsoft managed cloud services that connect, monitor and control billions of IoT assets. In simple terms, an IoT solution is made up of one or more IoT devices that communicate with one or more back-end services hosted in the cloud. An IoT device is typically made up of a circuit board with sensors attached that use Wi-Fi to connect to the internet. For example, a pressure sensor on a remote oil pump, temperature and humidity sensors in an air conditioning unit, an accelerometer in an elevator, presence sensors in a room. Your devices send information to display on a dashboard for viewing by human operators. For example, a control room in a refinery may show the temperature, pressure and flow volumes in each pipe, enabling operators to monitor the facility. IoT Hub is a service provided by Microsoft Azure that can be used to connect, provision and manage millions of IoT devices, communicating large amounts of data per month. IoT Hub acts as a bridge between devices and their solutions in the cloud, allowing them to store, analyze and act on data in real time. It enables secure and reliable bidirectional communication from device to cloud and from cloud to device over widely used IoT communication protocols such as HTTP, MQTT and AMQPS. Now let's see how to create an IoT hub. Sign into your Microsoft account, go to Portal, go to Create a Resource, Internet of Things, and select IoT Hub. After clicking on IoT Hub, an IoT Hub window will open. Now you have to fill the basic information asked in this pane. We have to create a new resource group to host the IoT Hub. Select a name for your IoT Hub. If the name is valid, a green check mark will appear over here. Now for pricing and scale tier, we have to select an appropriate option according to the need of our application based on our budget. Here we have chosen F1 free tier. Let's keep the rest of the configuration as it is and move forward. Now let's click on Review and Create. It may take few minutes to create an IoT hub. After the IoT hub is created, let's go to Resources. In this window, we have to note down this host name or we can simply copy it for future references. Now in Settings, click on Shared Access Policies. In Shared Access Policies, click on IoT Hub Owner. From here, you have to note down the primary key and connection string primary key. You will require these strings at later stage while developing applications. To register a device in the IoT Hub, click on your IoT Hub, scroll down to Explorers and then click on IoT Devices. New device. Enter an ID for the device. Device IDs need to be unique. A green check mark will appear here if the device ID is valid. For authentication type, select Symmetry key. Select this checkbox of auto-generate keys. Finally, to connect device to IoT Hub, click on Enable and then Save. Once the device is created, it will be listed in the Device Explorer option from where we added the device. Click on the name of the device. This will open the device details pane. Again, you have to note down the primary key and the connection string primary key of the devices. You will require these strings later stage while developing applications. Thank you.